Hello everyone, hope everyone is having a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev. On this video I wanted to share with you about a belief that people have this day and age that's actually holding them back. So you might ask, what is that belief? So the belief is that money is the root of all evil, right? Many people out there I've speak to, they tell me that I don't like money. Money will only bring me sadness, and like people will hate me, and that's the reason I don't like money. So just to clear any confusion, that money isn't a root cause of anything, right? It's only the person who has the money. He can decide if he wants to do something good with the money or something bad with the money. Money alone is nothing else but just a piece of paper, right? Just a piece of paper. Money actually is just energy. Money is nothing else but idea. What idea are you putting out in the marketplace, and the service that we provide? When people give back to you, they give you money, right? Some service that if you have a mowing the lawn services, if you have a car washing business, if you have a whichever business you might have, so you just exchanging services with money. Back in the days, people actually didn't have money. Like, one means of exchange they had was like if someone has like sugar, they used to just exchange with salt, or vice versa. So there's a lot of other ways people were exchanging, and as tribes started getting away from each other, and they were exchanging like cows, they're exchanging like a lot of things, a lot of different things. And as things started getting heavier and heavier, they started getting away from tribe, start getting out in the bush, and like moving away. That's when they started coming up with like copper, and then money, coins. That's when they started making money. So that's how people started, and how actually money started, right? Money is nothing else than just your service that you provide, and in return we're just getting money. But money is not the root cause of anything, right? It's only us as human, we putting saying that money is the root of all evil, but money is not the root cause of anything. It's just the people who put bad name out there for money. So just a short video, hope you got some value out of this. My name is Sanjeev, and also in the comment please leave where actually watching this from. I'd like to personally connect with you, and be good to talk about all these things, because we actually need a tribe for us to talk about this thing on an ongoing basis, for us to push each other and grow each other together. So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and you take care of yourself. Bye for now.